Rock bottle on the track, boy.
About to turn this thing around like I was doing hokey pokey, and I'm low-key gonna teach you how to make gnocchi from scratch and a leftover batch. Check out the hook, this is one for the books. You might snatch. First things first, now let's crush it, don't rush it. Get yourself some Idaho potatoes, rust it, and follow this recipe. Watch and see as we reach 5-star status for the pedigree. Boil it, fork tender, then peel it. Let it cool, it's super hot, gonna hit the spot right off the stove. Top. I gotta smash it, it tastes like heaven, and not even in a casket. Crush it through a ricer, don't mash it. That's it. Spread it evenly, adding flour with the cheese. It's a breeze, you'll be pleased, have you begging for more. The first taste is a tease. Desired seasonings and 2 egg yolks. In the kitchen, wrist twisting on you folks. You made it this far, fantastic. Form a ball of dough, then you wrap it up in plastic. Let it rest an hour. Take it back out, then you add more flour. Cut off a piece and form a log. Maybe write a review and start a blog. Cut them into little dumplings. No matter what you do in life, fulfill it with something. Patience is a virtue with the time allotted. Grab yourself a gnocchi board, Amazon's got it. Press down and form ridges, put it back in the freezer. It's where the fridge is. For 90 minutes, we're almost finished. Bring a pot of H2O to a rapid boil. Generous amount of salt, you don't really need oil. Clean as you go and dispose of what you soiled. Yes, that is correct, and if it's not perfect, then I will perfect. Listen to the rapping chef, got so much on my plate, don't know what I'll do next. And anything you'll see me in might be a comedian, but cooking with love is the #1 ingredient. Time for the grand finale, I'm meticulous. 6 to 8 minutes is all it gets. This dish is ridiculous, unambiguous, and then I'll burn it off with a vigorous workout. And this was just a prime example. Don't trust a skinny chef, but a true chef only samples. Can't stop, and I won't stop. Cooking with hip hop, you'll know it's ready when it floats to the top, all the way to the top. Whisk drop.